Hey guys, it's Dr. Rob here with your 2-minute tip this week to help you move better and feel better. This is the second installment of my secret weapon on melting muscle tension. Guess how many times it took me to get that perfectly right on camera. We are talking about the Lacrosse ball, of course. This is an awesome little tool. It's small, compact, easier to carry, use than the foam roller that we've talked about in the past. This can be taken to work, taken to travel, all that kind of stuff. That's why I really love it. It's also going to get a little bit more specific, harder to reach spots than the foam roller can. So for example, if you have a lot of sort of muscle tension in along the shoulder blade or even the back of the shoulder and kind of near the rotator cuff, this is the guy you're going to use. So what I often do is I'll get it in and I'll just kind of lean against the wall, and you can kind of move your body back and forth to find that spot. And you're going to know when you hit that spot, you're going to go, oh, that's the spot. And so you can just kind of either move your wiggle back and forth like that just to kind of get into it. If it's near the spine, you can often take a couple deep breaths and you'll feel that change because it might be on the rib. The other one, if it's closer to the shoulder blade, often I'll just kind of go up and down with the arm just to kind of stretch it out. And if that changes things, you'll know. You'll go, oh, that's a pretty good spot. Again, if we're going more in the back of the shoulder, you can kind of get in and just push it right in through there, and then again pin that against the wall. And again, once you've got it, you're gonna know. You just kind of hold it, push it back and forth, and you'll hit a couple spots. My other favorite one is going to be in the actual pec here, and so it's best to do this one in a doorway. See if anybody's walking by. But what you're going to do is you're going to pin it down in front of the shoulder, just underneath the collarbone. Pin it against the side and then go arm up and down, back and forth to really hit that spot, okay? Can't believe I did all that in one take. If you're not sure where you should be hitting or what it's supposed to feel like, ask your therapist at your next appointment. Again, it really shouldn't be hurting too much, because if you're holding your breath, it's going to be counterproductive and it's going to cause muscle tension, okay? So try this out, hit a couple of tense spots. There's a couple of really cool spots, different ways to hit it in the shoulder, in the trap, to get rid of headaches. So at your next appointment, ask us. We can definitely help you out with that, but this is definitely worth investing in, okay? Have a great week.